I don't think people understand just how bad French fries can be for dogs. Let's break it down. French fries might be tasty, but they're packed with salt, fat, and calories. For dogs, this can mean obesity, heart issues, and even pancreatitis. That extra salt. It can lead to dehydration and other health problems. Instead, why not treat your furry friend to some baby carrots or apple slices? They're crunchy, healthy, and dogs love them. But if you can't resist giving your dog a fry, make sure it's plain and unseasoned. Want to learn more about what dogs can and can't eat? Hit that like button and subscribe for our next Can Dogs Eat video. Thanks for watching, y'all. Take care of those pups.